So now we're just going to take a quick look at power supply basics. So they either provide a voltage or a current. I mean, they have to provide both, but they set a limit. So right now we have this set to be a voltage source at 12 volts. Turn the power on right there. The LED turns on. We turn the output on. And it's a power voltage source, I mean, because we are not at its maximum current that we set right there. This load only needs 130. We are providing a voltage to it. This unit here, this LED unit, actually converts the voltage to a different voltage. So as far as the load is concerned, its voltage isn't going to change. But there we go. We increase the power supply voltage. This unit is converting that voltage to what the LEDs want right there. And by doing so, it doesn't need as much current from the power supply right there because it has more voltage. It's converting that power. So now, we just looked at how when you apply a voltage across a load, the load usually sets the current right there. And so we got 12 volts powering this unit. Instead, we could use the power supply to limit current. So that's when it becomes a current source. That's what we're outputting. And there we go. So I'm going to drop this down to 150. That's still above the 130. But now I go to 50. There you can see it's a lot dimmer. And we got less light right there. One thing to be aware of with this LED module, if I go back to 150, then right now we still have the constant current. And that is because the output voltage is lower right there. So what we're going to do is bump up the current even more right there that it can provide. So yeah, now we're back to the 12 volts, but we did set the current with the power supply. That was the main point of this clip. So now we're going to talk about another feature common with power supplies. First off, we got voltage that controls whether the module is powered or not, and we can set a maximum current, which could be used to limit the amount of current. That's how you would dim the brightness of LEDs in many cases. I would not wire this up like this if I was using a battery, because that would cause a short if these touch each other and probably fry the battery. Hopefully the battery has short circuit protection. The power supplies do have short circuit protection, but again, you should avoid shorts as much as possible. So what that does is it turns the output off, let's light the LED while we do this. And so the LED is lit, but I touch these together, it cut off the power. So now the LED is not lit anymore. That's how most power supplies protect themselves.